CCSK, what is the cloud controller? Well, think of the cloud controller as the Don, who orchestrates the entire cloud computing game. This orchestration is generally done through the use of backend APIs or middleware layers, which serve two purposes. The first being a form of interface for a user to access services from the cloud controller, aka the Don, via a web, command line, or API interface available to the cloud consumer, aka the user. This API allows the user to manage their virtual environment, known as the Cloud Management Plane, which is part of the Meta Structure Logical Model, which will be explained in future videos, so please be sure to like and subscribe. Now, there is a second purpose to the DON's API interface, being orchestration to various compute and storage pool resources, where access is either granted or denied upon the user's request. The magic is that it all happens in the background. So, to recap, the cloud controller, aka the Don, orchestrates the entire cloud computing game via middleware, aka APIs, which serve two purposes. The first being a user interface for the user to access and manage their cloud management plane via requests to the cloud controller, which orchestrates the user's requests for underlining pool of resources. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more cloud computing videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to support this channel's growth so I can continue to explain cybersecurity like I'm a 2-year-old.